Welcome to Apache Spark in RStudio IDE. In this video, we'll look at how to run Spark R code in RStudio IDE. To run Spark, you just need to enter SC. If you get an error, you may need to restart RStudio IDE. To restart, simply select File, Quit Session. If the SC command is successful, the Java Spark context ID is displayed as shown here. Let's briefly explore the automotive data that's pre-installed in R. To load this particular data set, or a data frame as it's called in R, enter head followed by MT cars in parentheses. And run this command within double quotes. When you do so, the console displays this. Then, to work with data frames, we need to create the SQL context, which is created using Spark R SQL.init with SC within parentheses. SQL context uses Spark context, which has already been created and named SC. Running this command, you'll see in the console log that Spark R SQL.init with SC within parentheses has successfully been assigned to SQL context. Then we'll need to create the Spark data frames by running these two commands. After running these commands, the console log shows how the variables have been assigned. Next, run these Spark head commands. The first command prints the contents using Spark R. The second selects a column, and the third filters based on a condition. To operate on columns, Spark R also provides a number of functions that can be directly applied to columns for data processing and aggregation. This example shows the use of basic arithmetic functions to convert pounds to metric tons. And the console log displays the output as follows. For grouping and aggregation, Spark R data frames support a number of commonly used functions to aggregate data after grouping. For example, we can compute the average weight of cars by their cylinders, as shown with this statement. And in the console, we see the output. That is, the average weight by cylinders. And finally, here's how you can run SQL queries from Spark data frames. A Spark data frame can also be registered as a temporary table in Spark SQL. Registering a data frame as a table allows you to run SQL queries over its data. The SQL function enables applications to run SQL queries programmatically and returns the result as a data frame. In the console output, we see the gears where cylinder was greater than or equal to 4 or less than or equal to 9. We've come to the end of this video. I encourage you to practice on your own in RStudio IDE. We're sure that if you do, you'll be up and running in no time. Thanks for watching.